Hey, what's up, YouTube? Mixed Machine. Uh, got something a little different today. I am going to be working on a Bulbasaur enclosure diorama. Not really sure what word to use for that one. But as you see, I have here a grass block already cut out. I got me a little Bulbasaur. This thing is old. I believe it's way back, but it's a little dirty, so I have me a Q-tip with a little rubbing alcohol, just gonna clean it up a little bit. Alright, now that Bulbasaur is cleaned up, we can just about really get started here. I also want to show you guys here, I have this, I made it out of clay, just a little Pokeball. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for me, and it's good enough for my project. So what I did was, I had sitting in that cap, I had put some clear spray in the cap, and then I just rolled it around and let it sit in the cap and let it dry. I got this box of moss on Amazon for like 10 bucks. Not bad. Obviously not moss, it's fake moss, but it's made look like real moss. So the idea here is I'm going to make it look like an archway or like a cave, so it's going to be like a moss cave over the Bulbasaur. And then I don't want the Pokeball next to him, I'm going to have the Pokeball like somewhere in the moss. So I'll figure that out when I get there. But yeah, for now we're just here, getting along. Okay, so now here I'm gonna take some Gorilla Glue and put on the bottom of my grass patch and the block. What I end up doing, I end up going back into this then, off camera, I ended up scoring the bottom and putting more glue on, so it gave it more of an area to grab for the grass and the plastic. But yeah, this little bit here that I just put on, yeah, I go back in and I put in a good amount, much more. That little bit did no much. It did nothing for what I needed. Alright, well, no more commentary from me. I hope you guys enjoy watching and enjoy the finished result. And leave a comment down below or like if you'd like to see more. I've been working on little crafts like these and these little squares for a while. So just comment down below and hit that subscribe, and I'll check y'all later.